Hello, welcome back to my crochet diary. Today I'm sharing this cute crochet flower pouch tutorial. The smaller one is perfect for holding small items like AirPods. The larger one can be used as a small coin purse or a pouch for storing little items. Both flower pouches can be used as bag charms, and they can also be placed flat as cute little coasters. You can choose the yarn thickness based on your own materials and your needs. Let's start crocheting. Make a magic ring. Hold the crossing point inside your hook into the ring and put yarn through. Chain free. These free chains count as the first double crochet. Place a stitch marker on the third chain. Continue working 14 double crochets into the ring. Including the beginning chain free, you will have 15 double crochets in total. Pull the yarn tail to close the ring. Remove the stitch marker and slip stitch into the stitch to join. Pull the yarn tail tight and cut the yarn. Next, insert your hook again into the slip stitch from the previous round and pull up the yarn. Chain free, this counts as the first double crochet. Hide the yarn tail while crocheting. In the same stitch, work one more double crochet. In the next stitch, work 2 double crochets. Continue working 2 double crochets in every stitch around. You will have 30 double crochets in total. Slip stitch into the third chain of the beginning chain free to join. Chain 1. In the same stitch where you join, work 1/2 double crochet. In the next stitch, work 2 double crochets. In the next stitch, work 2 treble crochets. Wrap the yarn around your hook twice. Insert your hook into the stitch. pull up a loop and complete the triple crochet by pulling through 2 loops at a time. In the next stitch, work 2 double crochets. In the next stitch, work 1 half double crochet. In the next stitch, make a slip stitch. This is 1 flower petal group. Repeat this pattern around. I will demonstrate 1 more group. Continue following this pattern to complete the remaining 3 petals. After finish the last slip stitch, gently slip stitch once more into the first half double crochet stitch. Chain 1. In the same stitch, work 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, work 1 half double crochet. Then work 4 double crochet increases. That means work 2 double crochets in each stitch. You will have 8 double crochet across these 4 stitches. After finish, work 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. Work 1 single crochet in the last stitch. Slip stitch into the slip stitch space from the previous round. This is 1 repeat. Continue repeating this pattern around. When finished, slip stitch into the first stitch. Pull the loop longer, cut the yarn. Now skip the first stitch. Insert your hook into the second stitch and pull up the yarn. Chain 1. Work 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Continue with 8 single crochet increases. That means working 2 single crochets in each stitch. After completing the 8 increase groups, work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Skip the last stitch. At the bottom diagonal area, work 1 long single crochet. Drop down single crochet. This completes 1 pattern repeat. Repeat this pattern around. When the round is finished, slip stitch into the first single crochet. Chain 8. Return to the previous stitch and slip stitch to connect. Leave a long yarn tail, cut the yarn and hide the yarn tails inside the piece. Crochet 2 flower pieces. For the handles, make 1 chain strip with 8 chains. Make another chain strip with 50 chains. You can adjust the length according to your preference. two flower pieces back to back and start sewing them together. Leave an opening in the middle for storing items. Sew through the back loops of the stitches, matching one stitch with one stitch. Continue sewing until you reach the opposite side. Hide the yarn tail and the cute flower pouch is finished. Thank you so much for watching my crochet tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. See you next time.